Hi everybody, I want to give you a quick overview of the new Digital Programmer module by Voxglitch. To start off with, these ports on the bottom are outputs, and there's one slider corresponding to each output. The slider's voltage ranges from 0 to 10 volts, and so when it's around here, the output's going to be at around 6 volts. Great, so if you wanted to take all these outputs and bundle them up into one poly cable, I've got that right here, so you can do that if you wish, and then string it to a polyphonic input for your convenience. Let's go down to banks. So each of these setups is associated with its own bank. Bank 1, here's bank 1. Um, bank 2, make some changes here. Bank 3, etc. Right now they're looking kind of the same because I've already done a couple copy pastes, which brings me to copy paste. So down here we have some options for copying your banks. Let's say I wanted to take this pattern and I wanted to copy it to some of these banks underneath it. I would click copy selected and it goes into this new mode, the copy mode. Now if I click on any of these banks, it will copy that selected bank into them. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll unclick it and now you can see all those have been duplicated. Great, and you can also notice that when I mouse over, it shows you a preview of the slider positions. Okay, moving on. Here we have bank CV, next, previous, and reset. Bank CV is a CV input to control which bank is selected. Next, previous, and reset are all trigger inputs, where they kind of act as you'd expect. You trigger next, it steps to the next bank. You hit previous, it goes to the previous bank. And then reset brings you back to the beginning. Poly add is broken right now, but what it's supposed to do is take a poly input and for each of those 16 channels, add them to the 16 slider values before outputting them at the ports on the bottom. All right, I think that pretty much sums it up. I hope you guys enjoy the new module.